It was an office day, so yeah, I was quite busy today with work. Yeah. Okay, all right. So, tell me a little more about your day. How's your day? I mean, what did you do for the entire day?
Yes, madam, definitely. Uh, I I went to my roll call and attend roll call as senior officers gave me an order work and I have completed this work. After that, some official work was pending yesterday. Then I I have completed this work today because it means my day is very productive compared to yesterday.
Yeah, right. You had a lot of work to do, so it
Yes,
was kind of a very productive day, right? Right.
I because sir sent me inform me my class. I told him I have I would have not a time to take class because I was very
Busy with
tired
work.
tired
Okay,
but
tired. All right.
he told me uh, I scheduled your meeting. That's why told him okay, I will manage.
Okay, all right. Okay. I thought you were about to say that at the last moment I felt like I should take a session.
Yes.
Okay, all right. You
Or
you were so you were so
today's topic is very tough. Before I haven't any idea about it, but I read something in a short period
it's
time.
but it's not really tough. I mean, it's
Yeah,
about the general
general topic,
mentality of
general
people.
mentality. But we have some data or some news. If we have some information, then we will speak a better on that topic because it is a
Definitely right.
social topic.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
gave
yeah. That's
someone a message to
yeah.
about this topic.
Right, and it can offend somebody as well, right?
Yes,
If you don't, talk up, right in a right way about it, it can also
yes,
offend girls or
yes,
women in
yes. So
general, right?
who will see our video? Hmm?
Yeah,
Hmm?
right. That's really good that you just think of preparing in advance. Do you just think of having a little research over the topic? That's the really good part. Okay,
Yes,
so you are ready to talk about the topic then?
yes,
Can we
yes,
just
madam.
switch to it? Okay,
Yes.
all right. Okay, you tell me your views first of all. What do you think? Women should also work, or or they should be just limited to the house chores or what? What is your thinking about it? Women should be working, or they should look after the home.
Madam, please pardon me. Tell me again. No, madam. It is based on their condition. If women are educated, they will definitely do their official work because she's spend more than 5 to 10 years to gain this knowledge, which she has. She will give a opportunity to utilize this knowledge. That's
Right,
why she maintained their home routine as well as their official routine. Yes, madam.
right, right.
Because our
She,
constitution says that woman or man does not distinguish because our constitution give a equality right according to 14 to 18 article. Everyone has equal right who survives in
right,
India. That's why we should not distinguish between woman and men. But our uneducated environment they create because when mother gives a birth of girls or boys, when she become a mother of baby, she's mentality different because she feel that she is a girl. She treat according to girls routine without compared to boys. It means everyone should remain our we are independent. Everyone has gathered equal right. Do not distinguish between girls and boys. It is start from birth.
Right, that's very, very true. I mean, people start distinguishing between,
Hmm.
a girl and a
Birth.
boy right from their birth. Exactly. So
Yes,
that is what, keep going in the society. That is why it keeps going in the society because the thinking is not really changing right from the birth of a child. Right? Absolutely. I completely
yes.
agree with you.
And
Okay.
before 2 or 5 days, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. In that serial, one of family distinguish between girls and I think I will teach. I will see about a story. One family has already one daughter. Their husband pressures their wife ki you will birth next boys, but
Hmm.
unfortunately she gives again baby girls. In that film, her name is Khushi, and that's why she know ki she gave a baby or
She
birth of
gave
baby,
birth
uh,
to a
birth
baby girl.
baby, uh, baby girl, and she feel very bad because her husband pressurize her कि you must be give a birth of uh, daughter
Birth to a
boys,
baby boy.
baby
Yeah.
baby boy. That's why she after some days uh, she she leave their baby on the front of temple. Mhm.
Okay, okay, okay.
That time, someday after that day, one character of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, she collect this baby
Okay.
and then
Somebody
she,
from
uh,
somebody from
yes
the
ma'am.
cast get to find the baby from the society, right?
Mm,
Okay,
yes
all
madam.
right.
But
And that's how the
they
story
gave
starts.
a message to everyone: do not distinguish between boy and child. We are serving in a 21st century. It is a very developed century. It is correct, but before 10 century ago, it means 10th century, 11th century, that time maybe happened this situation, but now it was not good for our society.
Exactly. It was never really good, but for,
Yeah,
right now it's
unfortunately happened.
time people should change, right? Because
Mhm.
most of the people are changing. They are not really, the young people are not really differentiating between a boy or a girl. So, it's high time, old people and the people from, rural areas should also change their mentality about the same thing, right? Because it doesn't really matter if it's a girl or a boy. Right. Okay. Okay. One thing I would like to, highlight here. See, this is a very, very common mistake that people make, and I want you to correct it. See, whenever you are talking about a single woman, you should say woman, and when you are talking about multiple
Man,
women, you should use women. Okay?
man.
Women.
Yeah. WOMEN.
Yes, and that is pronounced as women. Okay?
Man. Okay, madam.
Yeah. All right. Okay, and same with the men, man and men. Okay, just like women, it's men. Okay, can you just check your network because I feel there is some discrepancy from your end, and let me also check mine. Okay, all right. So I was saying that even nowadays, people are really differentiating between women and men in workplace. See, because
Yes.
men usually usually easily get promoted to a better position, and also about the salary. There is still sometimes difference can be seen between a man and a woman's salary. So, what are your views about the same? Is that right? Because both of them are putting equal efforts. Both of them are, trying to put their 100% over there. It's not a physical work, of course. So it's not like men are getting to, give extra efforts. Women are also putting the same efforts. So why is this differentiation? What do you feel? What is the reason behind that?
Uh, Maybe, ma'am, some issue there. Maybe some who for example, man who promote
Hmm.
give a promotion of everyone,
Hmm.
it is based on their mentality. Yeah. And sometime, for example, you are doing a job in Tata for any company.
Hmm.
There are some policy as well as rules. For example, you have complete 250 day out of
Right, right,
365 days. Okay,
right.
365 days.
Hmm.
But sometime men cannot complete their attendance, and
Right.
that time maybe happen promotions get a more faster compared to women, or no any issue, or some personal issue, maybe for example you sometime, and I think promotion is based on their work productivity.
Exactly. It
work
should be
work
based
product
on productivity, but
Work
it is
productivity. What
not
is your
really
work?
based.
What is
But
your
because,
work productivity?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, madam. I think no happen, but sometime where zero point minor place there happen this situation. Otherwise, no. I think.
okay, because I have seen actually some of the incidents, even where I work. I won't disclose where I work, but I have seen such cases where men are usually given more preference over women when it comes to profession. Thinking as if they put some extra efforts or something. I mean, it's not very common. It differs from process to process, or how your supervisor is, what is the
Yeah. Yes.
mentality he or she
There.
has. So yeah,
Mm.
it completely depends on that, but it still reflects how our country still has that kind of mentality, right? Okay, all right. Okay, so tell me something. What do you think about that part? I mean, you feel that after giving birth to a child, after a woman get to be a woman get to be a mother, should she continue working after that, or what? I mean, or because people feel like after that she should really concentrate on her child for some time at least. So, what are your views
No,
about?
madam. No, no, because she gave up birth.
Hmm.
She become a mom, as well
Hmm.
as well as her husband become a father. Okay.
Hmm.
He or she has the same attachment. Their boys. Okay.
Hmm.
No issue. After giving a birth, a woman should do a work on their work after completing their rest period, which
Hmm.
gives their company 6 months maybe. Yeah, madam. No, no issue on it. We have a different type of example on it. Last time when COVID-19 started, in I think some lady who was a pregnant, but she pregnant and she made a first COVID kit after after birthing their son. She she had done work because she
Right,
feel कि I would do something for my nation. Every woman
right.
should do कि I do for my profession, not to
Should
do
feel like
attachment with,
that.
yeah, not do attach to her baby or girl, whatever she has.
Right. Okay. Okay. What do you understand by feminism? Do you have some knowledge about the same?
Feminism is a single word substitution, means gender equality.
Yeah. Right. Right.
Feminism
But
means
but people take it actually in a different way, right? People feel like it means giving
to
priorities to
promote
women. Yeah.
female.
Right, right. But all women actually mean not really all women. Some women even take advantage of that word.
Yes.
But basically, it means to have equal rights, not giving some additional
Yes.
rights to women. It doesn't mean that women should be provided with some extra bonus points or some extra rights. It doesn't mean like that. So do you think those who are feminists, they hate men or something?
No, madam, no. Doesn't hate everyone to feminism, because we are living in India, but compared to other country, our country below. That's why we should we should promote to women compared to other country. Other country, for example, America. America has no distinguish between man and woman. Uh,
Right.
I will be able to equal to America. That's why everyone should give a priority to women uh, to growth of feminism in our country.
Right, right. It's not
It,
about giving priority, but giving equal status
some,
at least.
yeah, yes, yes. But sometime government gave us some priority. For example,
Mm.
sometime gave a
Providing
reservation
some
or
reservations, right.
reservation.
See, that was
and
because,
I think lady feel that ki I am a lady, but first time she would decide ki I am equal to man. But first
right,
of all, she feel ki I am lady, I could not do a work which
right,
man do.
right,
It is the first problem. If
right,
she
exactly.
become a stronger, then she will not be defeated by any by
Right, of course. And coming to that point that feminists hate men. So of course, feminists don't hate men because
no,
even
they were
men
equal right.
are feminists. Even men are
Yeah,
feminists. There are men who feel like women should be given equal rights. So how can feminists hate men? Right? It's nothing to do with that. Feminist is a person who support that thing that women and men should have equal status,
equal
equal
right.
rights.
It is called
Yeah,
feminism.
right.
Feminism
So
means equality of gender. Man
right,
as well,
right,
woman plus woman gave a equal
right,
right.
right. So both of them, a woman or a man, whoever has that mentality is a feminist. So why I don't know why people consider that feminists hate men. Why would they hate men, right? Okay, all right. Okay, tell me, you have any doubts about the vocabulary part or something?
No, madam. Any doubt? What is the
He orders his wife to abort the baby girl. You can
rape?
say it like that. Yeah, so it's
Yes.
like forcing somebody to do
Someone
something.
forces to something to do this work.
Yes, somebody who is if somebody is getting forced to do something, that is duress. Okay, all right. Tell me if you have any other doubts. There is this word, pugnacious. You have any idea about the word pugnacious?
Yeah, what is, madam? Yeah, madam.
Pugnacious.
Yeah, yes, madam. It is having having a strong desire to argue,
Yeah,
fight
so
with to
yeah,
other people for their
yes,
right.
pugnacious is used. It is a term which is used for person who is always ready to fight with people, who is always
People.
ready to argue with the others. So that is
Yes,
a term used for those people. Okay, all right. So if you have any other doubts, you can just quickly ask. Then we are good to close the session here.
madam. Because women are created by a god
Okay, see,
in a way.
see, I'll tell you. Uh, I don't know whatever sense it has been used in there. I'm not able to find it, but utopia in general is something which it's like, for example, there is a word myth, but myth is
Myth.
used in a negative way, and utopia is used in a positive way. For example, there are some things which we desire to achieve, but we are not able to achieve
Able
that,
to achieve.
right? So that is a utopia. That is termed as utopia. And here, let me just, okay, this one you're saying, according to others, feminism is just a utopia that can never be achieved because women are created by God
My
in a
god.
way. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, exactly. It is here also used in such a way that feminism is something that people think that it can't be achieved because women are made in such a way. People have that mentality that it is just a saying, it can't really be achieved. It is just something which people want to achieve, but they won't be able to. So
Yes.
it is used in that way.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
madam.
All right. So you are clear with your doubts?
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you, madam.
Okay. All right. Then I'll see you in another session. Okay.
Okay, definitely.
Bye bye. Take. If you have any doubts, write them down, and you can ask in another session as well. Okay.
Okay, okay, madam. No problem.
Okay. Bye bye.